Whoa, that was scary. Well, this one is gonna fly. And these got the two wheels. These are like this one. So this one's bigger.
Hi, welcome to my kids show. Please subscribe to my channel.
So now I'm gonna get started with this one. This one is a helicopter. It spins its tail. And this is 1 people, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. So this is green and blue and black. And this flies everywhere. It's flying up in the sky. It looks like this. So this is yellow and pink. And this flies everywhere. It's white and it's lands with wooden wheels. Like this. And then when you take off, you do this. And then you fly. And then this can go anywhere. It's very high. It goes very fast. So this one is green. So this can go in water, ice, and sand and snow. And this is very fast. It can rescue people and it can go in water. And then it can live in any places. It can live in or in a road. Or it can stay in the water. Sometimes it go fly in the sky. So this is red and blue and white. This can carry heavy stuff. And this way you can put the cars and the helicopters. And this is a special airplane. It can go carry heavy stuff and it can make here. It carries cars. And this goes very, very fast. It got 2 engines. And this can go way over here. Put the car. And they have a window you can see your hand right here. That's the window. So this comes with the remote controller. And this is very big. You can fly in the night too. And you can play with it and they can fly. And the propeller spins. And this one's the back one. And this is the big remote controller. It controls the remote controller. It's very big. And this how it turns on. I'm gonna go back off, then on. And then this, you can put something, and if you have something, you can put in your neck, like this tape. And then this, you just tape hold it, like that, like this. And then this how it opens. The bag is simple. And that's how it opens. Whoa, that was scary. Listen to that. That was cool. It's doing this. And so this goes very, very fast. It can And it is very, very fast. It's very fast. And it can land in the desert. I can do this. Sometimes this moves. And these are the lights. There's one light.
Hi, please subscribe to my channel.
See it right here. Right there and one over here. This one is gonna fly. And these got the two wheels. These are like this one. So this one's scared. This one is airplane. And this looks like this. But this don't have wheels. It's the same. I think that's like right. It's a word that looks at it and then moves, it turns, and then this can go fast. You can go and this one is the same like this one, but this is very big. It's the bigger one. It's more bigger than this one. This one's almost small, but this one's big. This one can go sometimes this way. Then it can do this to the ground with the grass. But this one can go just how it can look. Push it up there and it lands down. But these two ones like fly. You can make them move. And what's gonna oh no, this one's good. That's one. Oh no, the big one's gonna, the yellow one's gonna win. This one won. He's right over there. Oh no, this one. He's gonna race with this one. And this one's the winner. Let's see who's gonna oh no, this one's gonna crash! Oh no, the gas finished! It's gonna go! Ah! It's gonna find it. One of the pipes will go land this way. And then this one's gonna do now it can land. This one lands like this. It can land like this. And then this one can land like that too. And this one lands like that too. But these two don't. And this is a very big remote controller. This. And that way they're gonna park. So they're gonna go to the station. That's where they get a good thing fixed. This one. Here, we're grass in the race. We have a race with this helicopter. Let's go. This one is a very fast one. And then this one wins. Either one won. Now let's have a race with this one. It's gonna win again. This was very fast. Now let's try this one. Then have a race the other way. This was win again. This was the one who won. Let's try this one. He won again. This one's won. Now they're gonna get their pocket. This is his big parking. This is a small parking close to his friend, right here. This one, and these are all parking same area. you close this, and that's done. Yeah, that's done.
Hi, please subscribe to my channel.